The diverter motor moves the diverter disc into position to direct water through the upper spray arms. The diverter motor also keeps track of the disc's position and sends a signal to the electronic control board. If the diverter motor fails, the dishwasher stops and signals an error code. Click here to see a list of dishwasher error codes for several brands. If an error code indicates that your diverter motor has failed, you can replace it using the steps in this video. To prevent damage to a newly installed diverter motor, also replace the grommet seal if water leaks through the old seal. The grommet seal is the gasket around the diverter motor shaft where it meets the bottom of the sump. A leak can damage the diverter motor as well as counters and flooring near the dishwasher. Wear work gloves to protect your hands. Now, let's get started. Unplug the dishwasher, or shut off the house circuit breaker for the dishwasher. To verify that power is disconnected, make sure the control panel doesn't light up when you press the buttons. Close the water supply valve to shut off the water supply going to the dishwasher. Disconnect the drain line from the garbage disposal or sink drain. Open the dishwasher door and pull out the bottom dish rack. Release the upper dish rack track stops and pull out the upper dish rack. Release the bottom spray arm and remove it. If your dishwasher is a Kenmore with a TurboZone sprayer, release and remove the TurboZone manifold. Release the feed tube clips. Release the feed tube from the pump outlet and pull it out of the dishwasher. Release the locking tab and slightly rotate the pump outlet left, and then remove it. Pull the diverter disc off the motor shaft. Using a nut driver, remove the screws that hold the bottom front access panel and toe panel in place. Pull the access panel and the toe panel forward and remove them. Position the dishwasher's power cord so it moves freely as you pull the dishwasher out from under the counter. If your dishwasher power supply is hardwired directly into the junction box, remove the cover and disconnect the wires. Remove the strain relief nut to release the power cable from the junction box. Place a towel under the water supply line connection. Disconnect the water supply line from the water inlet valve and wipe up spills. Remove the 2 mounting screws from the brackets that secure the dishwasher in the cabinet opening. Pull the dishwasher out from under the counter. Carefully lay the dishwasher on its back. Release and remove the wire harness connections. Remove the Torx mounting screws from the diverter motor. Release the locking tab and pull the diverter motor out. Set the dishwasher upright. If water leaks past the seal to the bottom of the dishwasher tub, replace the grommet seal under the diverter disc. Lubricate the new grommet seal with rinse aid to prevent leaking. Carefully lay the dishwasher on its back. Push the new diverter motor onto the tub and engage the locking tab. Install the mounting screws and connect the wire harness to the diverter motor. Set the dishwasher upright. Carefully push the dishwasher under the counter. Insert the screws into the mounting brackets that secure the dishwasher under the counter and tighten the screws. Reconnect the water fill line to the inlet water valve. If the dishwasher hardwires into a junction box, push the power cable into the junction box and reinstall the strain relief nut. Reconnect the wires in the junction box and reinstall the junction box cover. Position the toe panel on the dishwasher and then position the access panel in front of the toe panel. Insert the mounting screws and tighten the screws firmly. Reconnect the drain hose to the garbage disposal or sink drain. Reinstall the diverter disc on the keyed diverter motor shaft. Line up the pump outlet and push it into the opening. Rotate it slightly right to engage the locking tab and lock the pump outlet into place. Reinstall the feed tube and snap it into the mounting clips. If you have a Kenmore dishwasher with a TurboZone sprayer, reinstall the TurboZone manifold. Reinstall the bottom spray arm. Push the upper dish rack into the tracks and reinstall the track stops. Reinstall the lower dish rack. Open the water supply valve. Reset the house circuit breaker or plug in the dishwasher to restore electrical power.